This week on Communications Transformed.
In terms of having an analytics-driven culture, or even more so a data-driven culture within a company, how does one get started on that?
Oh, goodness, right. This is such a great question. And I would say it's really about instilling a data-driven culture in the organization. And so there's a few ways that you can think about it. Like, first, start small. Don't commit to, in full force until you're ready. Give your time to gather data and evidence and learn how visualization tools can be incorporated into your practice of your organization, whether you're, a huge company or just a startup. Second, you want a process and a plan. So after your kind of pilot stage, just like most things, who's going to own this? And who's going to be the person that's going to be able to provide the mentorship on the different data graphics that are produced by the firm, and somebody that will be a resource, not just get you through kind of the launch of this initiative. Then you want to start building experts and teams of experts that could be great analysts that also are great visualizers. And then building champions, so then being able to showcase the value of this change in an organization.
Yeah, advocates definitely play a part in kind of spreading the culture, the influencers within the company, right? It's not always necessarily the executive, but who is the person that influences the executive, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Like, to be able to see and understand the value and relevance of this work. And so I think having not just champions, but also partners, people to lead by examples and to show the effectiveness of this. And fifth, I would say to include some kind of training and education. I mentioned mentorship earlier, but I think training and education in this area is absolutely essential. Just because we can use Excel doesn't mean that we can actually create charts that say anything meaningful. So there's really a whole field of visualization. It's not just, this add-on